right here. Excuse you, fatty.
What did you do?
Nothing. I look pretty.
Did you get into my stuff again?
No, I just searched through your bathroom.
Oh my god. What did you do?
Nothing. And your lipstick is gone because I thought it was a crayon.
Oh, okay. You need to learn how to put stuff on.
Okay.
Watch and learn.
Ooh, that looks
What
nice. Can
color?
I have some?
Which color would you like?
Ooh, the purple.
The purple. What? There's no purple.
The blue.
The blue. Okay. So you take it. You just. So we fit across like a rainbow. I cannot see what I'm doing. Okay.
You can't even tell.
I know, because you picked the lightest color in the whole thing.
That color's pretty.
Yeah, I definitely can't see myself. I
You
can't.
look pretty. You look ugly. You gotta look pretty like me. See?
Yeah.
I look pretty.
You definitely don't look pretty.
I look pretty.
Shut up.
Oh, mommy.
I don't know. Okay. Anyways, what did you do? Alright, this is
Nothing.
a Sharpie. You want me to color my eyes with the Sharpie?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just kidding. Anyways,
That's
what
what I
did you
colored
do?
my eyelashes with.
Eyelashes. What the heck?
Look it. They look pretty.
Yeah, they definitely don't look pretty. You're ugly.
Mommy!
Anyways,
Mommy! You hurt my feelings.
you need to rub in this lotion.
It's not lotion.
Rub it
Oh,
in.
you silly.
Rub
It's
it
not.
in. Rub it in. Yeah, good girl.
The Hopers are laughing at you again.
Rub the nose. Don't forget the nose. The
Hey, you smeared my makeup.
The Hopers are laughing at you again.
nose. Anyways.